So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to categorize the data in Power BI. So for this tutorial, I'll be working with this online retail data set. It has columns like order date, ship mode, segment, state, country, region, category, subcategory, sales, profit, quantity and discount. And if you see carefully, there is no symbol in front of country field, which states that our Power BI is treating them as a string. But it would be a problem when you're plotting country graph. So in order to overcome this problem, we need to specify the data category for this country field. So let's see how we can do this. So for that, go into your data pane, select the column. Let's say over here I'm selecting country, and in data category, as of now it is uncategorized. That's why you can't see any logo over here, which means they are treating as a string. But I will change uncategorized to country. And as soon as I change it to country, you can see a symbol of globe over here, which means now our Power BI knows that this country field contains all the countries, not the strings. And while plotting this graph, our Power BI will know that it should be a country, not a string. So in this way, we can categorize our data in Power BI. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.